Okay, so I know I've been lacking as far as like my posting goes, but when I say my will to edit, aside from my will to edit, my will for looking at screens is so limited. Like when they say your senses increase, I kid you not, your senses increase. Like my eyesight is so much more vivid to the point where like I cannot look at screens. My brightness on my phone is like all the way down because if it's any brighter, it's just too much. Again, the music thing is the same thing. Like my sense of hearing is so strong. I don't want to hear any music. Like I don't want to hear anything. And then my tongue, I mean, it's not that white. Honestly, I don't have that symptom, but I have noticed that it is a little bit whiter, which is your body's way of releasing toxins through your tongue. So when I brush my teeth in the morning, I just scrub my tongue really good. But I've seen some people's tongues that are covered in white film or white or yellow film. I haven't really experienced that. But honestly, you guys know I eat a pretty much really clean diet, like 99.9% being alkaline. So I think that's why that's not really a symptom of mine. But my underarms have this smell still, and it's not, again, it's still not major. It's just something I don't want. Like, ew, I'm so over that. Like, that's not cute. So last night I didn't use apple cider vinegar. I just used my coconut oil because I was like, let me see if like maybe the apple cider vinegar is what's like reacting with my body. But it still ended up being the same thing. So I think it's just, again, my body just ridding toxins through my armpits. Not cute and not fun. Another thing, day 5, I'm not hungry. Don't really have the urge to eat at this point, but again, I would eat if I could. I can't stand the taste of water. I've barely drinking water today. I want to say I'm maybe on 10 ounces. Like, I haven't made my herb tea. Like, just the thought of water is just like repulsing me. Even more so than yesterday. I'm not sure if I put it in the video last night, but I ended up chugging my herb tea down before I went to bed. So I ended up getting my full gallon yesterday. Today, your girl just can't drink water. I've also decided, and this is not because I'm giving up, but I'm getting entirely too small. Like, my waist beads are like literally falling to my hips. Like, literally, they're on my hips now. So I'm getting entirely too small. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna weigh myself, show you guys how much I weigh, and tonight I'm gonna break fast with a smoothie because I can't afford to lose any more weight. Like, y'all see this head of mine? It's too big. Like, and I wasn't doing this for weight loss at all. Like, I was just doing this as a detoxer. But again, with fruits, you're still detoxing. It's just a lot stronger when you use water. But I mean, I encourage you, if weight loss is what you're doing this for, I encourage you to continue because the days have gotten so much easier since today. Like, today is just like whatever. I don't eat food. Like, my body is like totally in a different accord. And honestly, the reason why this happens is because your digestive system starts to shut down on day 3. So the reason why day 4 usually is the easiest for a lot of people, or starts to be easier, is because by the end of day 3, your digestive system has come to a halt. So it's no longer, you're no longer getting brain signals that you're hungry anymore. So that's why it becomes easier. So yeah, it's not that at all. It's just, for me personally, this is not a size that I want to be. Like, it's just not. So I'm gonna continue with the smoothies, and then by if I start the smoothies tonight, by Sunday evening, I'm going to have my first Whole Foods. So I'll probably have like a mango, because those are pretty easy to digest. And not as hearty as, say, like an apple. And maybe some grapes. And yeah, I think that's what I'll eat for the night. But other than that, I'm just going to be doing a lot of mango or strawberry smoothies. And then start incorporating some bananas with my mangoes. Just water and fruit. And that's about it, because your girl is getting too tiny. I'm sorry. I can't do it. And I don't even feel bad like I'm giving up, because I really could continue, but y'all, when I say I'm getting too small, like it's not even a cute thing. Like, my body is not built to be like thin. You know how some people are built to be small? I'm not built for that. Face wise, obviously no blemishes, just waiting for the clearing of the epidemic that happened on my face 2 weeks ago. Damn allergic reaction life. I have very sensitive skin and I have very sensitive insides. I'm allergic to a lot of things, so I have to be very mindful with what I eat. What other updates do I have? Breath. Definitely not the freshest breath I've ever had. I will tell you that. Like, I wouldn't feel comfortable whispering to somebody. I wouldn't feel comfortable talking to somebody really close. Like, it's not it. Like, and I use natural toothpaste. I use Dr. Bronner's toothpaste, the anise herb one. And I love that toothpaste, even though it doesn't like foam up like your normal toothpaste that you may be used to, because the base is like coconut oil and stuff like that. When I say my teeth feel 1,000 times cleaner, like I could brush my teeth for like 10 seconds. And obviously I keep going, but if you like just put your tongue over your teeth will feel spotless. Versus like when you're like constantly scrubbing your teeth with like, you know, the Colgates and all that other crap. Yeah, they make your breath feel really minty and all that stuff, but it's like you're putting all those chemicals and toxins right back in your body. It's just not even worth it. And I was the kid that used to swallow some of my toothpaste. I can only imagine. My body was just crying. But now I pretty much use everything natural, or I just make it myself. So I would definitely say, being a person who uses natural toothpaste, yeah, it's not hitting like how I need it to hit, because I definitely can taste that my breath is not A1 sauce. So yeah, that's one thing. My wisdom tooth started growing again randomly, and it had me in so much pain like 4 days ago. So I gargled with like coconut oil for like 2 days, and then I noticed as of yesterday there's no pain anymore. So I don't know if that's the fast or that's the coconut oil, but that's another thing I noticed. So the main things that I've noticed today, like throughout day 1 and day 5, is the senses have heightened to a point where I can't stand like certain things because it's just so strong for me. My wisdom tooth doesn't hurt. I have no new breakouts, no new blemishes, nothing. And my cycle ended up starting. TMI again. This has been a very TMI vlog. I've never vlogged like this. My cycle is much lighter than it normally is. Cramps are kind of the same. Ever since I turned alkaline vegan, like my cramps are like 75% less than what they used to be. Like I used to be the person that when I started my cycle, I hibernated for 2 straight days. I kid you not. Like in high school, I had a doctor's note like that literally took me out of school when I was on my cycle. It was that bad. But now, like, I get my cramps and they're just like, they're annoying, but they're not like, oh my God, I'm so fatigued. But that was another reason why, too, I was like, ooh, you know what? I think I'm going to also break fast today, just because my cycle obviously is taking more out of me than I would like it to, just because, duh, we know what's happening. I'm losing blood. Like, so, I need something to get back some type of, you know, I can't think of what I'm trying to say, but I need something to bounce back that, you know, because my cycle is taking even more out of me. And it's like, then I'm also losing so much weight. It's just like, bruh, It's too much at once. And then on top of that, I'm also taking herbs. So I'm doing a lot. My body's going through a lot right now. So I need to put something in my system. So I'll be starting my fruit fast a couple days earlier than planned, but I didn't plan for my cycle to come during this time. Another thing, what have I noticed? It's still like, I know my blood pressure is lower because if I stand up too quick from my bed or from sitting down, it is like a rush to my head, and I kind of have to come back or lean on something to like get it back. You know what I'm saying? Like, what else can I say? I'm kind of scared to even use my Vitamix because it's so noisy. I feel like that's about to mess me up because it messes me up either way. Oh God, I'm not excited for that. So really, I'm really sorry I haven't been editing, but when I say like the urge to look at screens, it's just not there. It's not. And I'm sure you're probably experiencing the same thing. Like, it's the weirdest thing ever. I have no other updates. I guess I'll check back in with you. Oh, I wasn't like cold. I didn't have my hot and cold flashes last night. I didn't have that, so that was good. I noticed that changed. Any other changes? Oh, bowel movement wise, yesterday I went 3 times, but obviously it was like little to nothing, so it was so annoying because the urge was just as normal as it would be, but it was like little to nothing. This morning was the first morning I didn't go. I lied. Yes, I did. I went. Little to nothing still. It was annoying. I think my body's just so used to going that it's just like on a cycle. And then it's literally at this point, since I am taking the colon herbs too, I feel like it's just trying to get every drop of stool out of me because it's just barely anything coming out, but it's like it's coming. And this is gonna be really a TMI. I don't even know if I want to say it, but I have noticed the last 3 days, because I will say my friends also agree with this. When I have bowel movements, all my friends say like I don't smell. Like they'll walk in the bathroom right after and they'll tell me, "Oh snap, I didn't even know that you went." Like, obviously my diet plays a really huge role into that. I know that. But these last 3 days ones, they haven't been it. So that's how I know it's backed up stool that's like probably just been sitting in my intestines, because yeah, it's no bueno. And honestly, I feel like everybody who didn't watch these videos, like, we go together at this point, because never in my life did I ever think I would make such TMI videos before. Like, just giving you all the runs of my life, no pun intended. Like, I never thought I would do this, but it's supposed to be informational, y'all know what I mean. It's supposed to be an informative video, so I feel like I have to include this, or like, you know, then it defeats the whole purpose. Okay, so that's that. And then, are there any other updates? Nope, I think that's it. I'm just gonna try to push myself to edit these damn videos. I might even just go make my smoothie now so I can get the energy to do so. Maybe that's smart. Okay, that's what I'll do. I'll go weigh myself and then just make the smoothie so I could actually get my butt up to edit these videos. That's it for now. Those wondering, I now weigh 125 pounds. No bueno for me, so I have to eat, guys. All right, so you guys, once I seen this scale, your girl's head and the way my body is set up is too big to be weighing 125 pounds. Like, it's a no. So in this smoothie, I have about 10 ounces of spring water, about 2 mangoes that I cut up before, and about half a banana that I cut up before. That's it. I'm taking that back. I instantly felt like my body was like whoa, like my taste buds taste this smoothie. Especially for me, I usually add agave. It's already sweet enough. Like I can't imagine it being sweeter. But I know that your taste buds also increase when you water fast, so I'm appreciating fruit taste on a different level right now. So I'm gonna have this and go sit my butt down and then start editing. So yeah, I'm also on the phone with my sister. Say hi, Teresa. Or not. So, all right, so I'll see you guys later. Just finished making my second smoothie, which again was 2 mangoes. Well, it was more like 2.5 mangoes and about 8 strawberries. So, taking this back. All right, so getting ready for bed. This is my 3rd smoothie. Make sure I drink this before I go to sleep. Water-wise, I think I am behind. This is the first day I didn't drink a full gallon. My cycle just, it came and messed everything up, but it's not even just my cycle. Honestly, I can't weigh 124 pounds, y'all. Like, that ain't it for me, sis. So, if you really are doing this for weight loss, like I encourage you to keep going. Like, don't let me stop you. But once I seen that, it was a wrap for me. That's entirely too small for me. So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. I'm sorry I'm so behind with editing, but when I say your sense is so strong, I cannot look at a computer. I just can't. So I'm gonna try my best. I promise.